Alright guys, so here we are. We got our replacement unit. We just came and picked this up on the Escalade. So this is gonna be the body for my SD. Hopefully everything is squared away. I was searching, these things might have better differential than the STs. And it's flex fuel already. So here we are. I gotta fix the grill is good. The headlight stuff is good. The hood got a little dent on it, but I gotta fix the radiator stuff. The frame is straight. It just buckled the bumper support or whatever you want to call it, this thing. So I gotta fix that. But everything else, pretty good. You only reached there, so I'm pretty sure it got up to the diff, to the thing. Axles might be needed. But other than that, straight. No oil leak so far that I noticed. But there she is. It's a 2021 model. All the doors open just fine. So everything is squared away. Now I just gotta get back home, take some of the stuff off, the letters and whatnot. There she is. It has good tires on it. So we got some homework to do. But yeah, now it's time to head back to Naples. It's gonna be a long drive. I've been driving all night tonight, so I'm gonna drive to Florida, rest up a little bit, and then tomorrow I'll continue the drive. She's on there, guys. I like it. Alright, like always, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.